Hello, my fellow YouTubers. What we got here? You already know, of course, it's the Meilan M1 bicycle computer. And we are here to do an unboxing of this bicycle computer. It arrived a few minutes ago, and first time I'm taking this out of the bag. And it comes right here. Here you go. Meilan Finder. This is a very affordable bicycle computer, very budget wise, and I got this for about 27 euros. And but because of the functions the bicycle computer delivers to you, I think it might be a very good deal because you have the functions of a bicycle computer like speed, average speed, distance, time, all of that. But you also have some other peculiarities like power, average power, cadence. You also have the the ability to put heart zones, your beats per minute, and you can have several other functions that I have to test when I have this baby running, like a rival challenge, something like that you compete with a virtual cyclist following the indications on the panel. And I think that's good. It synchronizes with Strava, with Training Peaks, and something very important for me, in my case, Commute. This is an app that I use a lot, and I'm planning to use that app for the navigation. It reminds me a lot like the Sigma Rocks, the 4.0. But of course, this is my how can I say? This is something, a supposition, because I haven't used it yet. Yeah. It's very seal, as you can see. It's a nice seal here for ensuring you have a nice new unit. You see this? Very good. Very nice. Let me just pop this one up. Yes. All right. There you go. Here too, I think. Yeah, I have to do on both sides. All right. Whoops. Yep. I think we are done. So you have here track recording. It's not too much. It's only cadence sensor, a speed sensor, heart rate sensor, power meter, wireless connection, support commute turn-by-turn navigation, track recording, blah. All right, I already installed the Meilan app. Its name is Navi Hood, and I think I'm impressed of the app, but that I will talk about later. So what we have here, we have the computer itself, as you can see. The bike computer. Very nice presentation. Let me see. I like it. It weighs nice. It looks very nice constructed, let me tell you. Yeah. Very good. Yeah, I'm impressed. I have to test this. But guys, very nice. It has nice feeling. Yeah. Very cool. Very cool. Let's see here in the box. Hola. All right. Charging cable. Yep. This is it's a micro USB. I thought it was a Type C. This is a micro USB, the older ones. I like this one. This is the normal mount, the spider mount, I think they call it. I don't remember. Maybe the normal mount. Allen key, rubbers. There you go. And I like the fact that they give me two bicycle mounts. because something very nice they explain on the descriptions of these bicycle computers, you can use these on two different bicycles, and I have to test that. So you have one for the one bicycle, this one for the other one. So you are ready. Let's see what's inside. You got here the bolt for dismount. Yeah, is here. All right, I have to screw it because I don't want it to get lost. And here we have the manual. Let's see. All right, manual. Meilan Finder, GPS bike computer. Quick user guide. And here it explains everything you have to do from the mounting of the support on your handlebars to all how to operate the bicycle computer, all in English, as you can see. Oh, this is the rival function I remember seeing before buying. So charging port here on the back. Let's see, let's show it. Here you go. Very well sealed with a nice rubber casing around. And I'm quite surprised by the quality of a bicycle computer that can deliver navigation, power meter, cadence, heart rate, and many things for its price. And I have to put it on a test, of course, and I'll go back to you when I have it ready. Okay, guys, see you. Bye bye.